1 Unit Promotions.
Yeah, how the party I looks. Da, how the party I looks.
Back to Basics, the official Caribbean Ladies Night. This and every Friday night at Lux Ultra Lounge, located 5688 International Drive. It's Ladies Night, so we in free all night and we drinking free martinis till 1 a.m. Also, it's $3 top shelf for everyone till 11:30. And for all my big spenders, we have $100 bottles all night long. This night is catered strictly for us ladies. Music by Recon Music, DJ Stamina, Feisty Squad, John Jack, and DJ Devious. Giving you the best in dancehall, reggae, and soca. Back to Basics this and every Friday night. The dress code is sophisticated, stylish, and sexy. So ladies, come dressed to impress. And don't forget that happy hour kicks off at 5 p.m. with 506 Crew and Leon Caldero. This and every Friday night. It's Ladies Night, so we in free all night at Lux Ultra Lounge.
God know the party, yeah. TUNUP make me feel high, a different kind of way. Frost. Every girl, I look our way. Girl, I rush me as me walk up. I say the party I just start up. Man, I tell them, y'all say them ready, y'all I tell them, man, them nobody want cut. Them know say me I go make it book. And upon we every girl ya stuck. Love up the fragrance off of me shot. One back it up like a dump patch up. Girl president of that me run for. 1,000 napkin with a 1,000 number. Yo, I'm a girl that you know. Me they even answer. My girl from now on me will be your sponsor. Cause them know say me I go make it book. And upon we every girl ya stuck. Love up the fragrance off of me shot. One back it up like a dump patch up. Cause when we a party, we party mad. Money full up in a me party bag. We no do boring party. We hype up the party. The girl them a call with the party god. Yeah, dash a lika pangrong. Dash a lika pangrong. Dash a lika pangrong. We a dash lika pangrong. The mount a buckle a rockle pan me table. Drink and chunk till we a move the table. Girl a mix the over with apple vodka with a piece of ice and chase with red label. Cause them know say me a go make it book. And upon we every girl ya stuck. Love up the fragrance off of me shot. One back it up like a dump patch up. If you don't wanna follow we from we in.
Yeah, yo, this is Kiprich representing from Club Lux. Back to Basics every Friday. You see that say? Every Friday. Sing it. Back to Basics. Club Lux. Good. No behavior. We are rolling. Network.
We no do boring party, we hype up the party. The girl them a call with the party god. Yeah, dash a lika pangrong. Dash a lika pangrong. Dash a lika pangrong.